Well, hello again. Welcome again to another one of my how-tos. Today I was out looking for videos on how to make shorts on YouTube shorts on a computer, on a PC. And all the ones I could find was how to upload shorts on a PC. Well, I figured out how to make shorts, and I'm just going to share my screen with you here, and I'm going to show you how using a program called OBS. Okay. And here's my screen. Here's OBS. And I have a image out here. And I'd like to make a short out of it. Now, the screen is the wrong size. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go into the settings. And in the settings, I'm going to go to output, or I'm sorry, video. And if you notice that it's 1920 by 1080, let me just get my slip here. What we want to do is we want to make it 705 by 1125. And this will make a short. I won't change it, but anyway, this is where you change both of these here, and then you just apply it or hit OK. And it'll actually just make it the size of what this image is. And I have this image, that size. I have it 705 by 1125. And that's about the size of your phone. And when you start the recording, which I won't do because I'm recording this, and keep it short, if you want to keep it like about a minute or so or whatever. I guess you can make 3-minute videos now, but and still be shorts. But this is how I do it. Now I'm going to stop my sharing here, and I am going to open up this. Okay, this is that little short I made. Let me share it now. I'm going to open my share again, and I'm going to open this one here and share it. And what I have to do is I have to open the share sound so you can hear it. And now I'll play it. You should be able to hear it. I hope, hopefully, if you get your sound on. Hello, my name is Wisdom. Do not speak in the hearing of a fool, for he will despise the good sense of your words. Okay, it kicked me off here. It stopped sharing. All right, let's see if this video came out, and I'll post it on YouTube.